Hey, this is Brian at EvoDynamic, and today I'm going to show you how to give delegate access to your GoDaddy account to your development team so that they can work with your hosting and domains. First of all, go to GoDaddy.com and get logged in. Make sure you use a password manager so that you can keep strong and secure passwords on all of your material, and use it every day for everything. Never use the same password twice. Once you get logged in to GoDaddy, you can head over to your account here, and you can go to your account settings. And under your account settings, down in the middle here, you can hit Delegate Access. Delegate Access. And then you can invite someone to access. So you can hit that, and if you're working with us, you can just put EvoDynamic developers, and you can put developers at EvoDynamic.com. At a minimum, we usually need products and domains. Once in a while, we might ask you to go back in and do products, domains, and purchase in order to transfer domains out. We prefer to use domains at google.com. They include free privacy. They're usually cheaper or about par with the other providers. And you hit invite, and that will allow us to work with you and your domains and serve you so that you don't have to mess with any of this stuff. So we'll take the drudgery out of running your site.